So before we start the day off, we gotta give the dogs some treats because they're bugging all the time, huh? Enzo, huh, Zoe? So before we go downstairs, guys, talk about what we're gonna do. Let's give these guys some treaties. Come on, guys. They already know what drawer this is, guys. This is like the holy grail of the kitchen for them. What do you guys want? You guys wanna, let's try these out. Okay. You guys sit for me. Zoe, sit. Lay down. Can you lay down? Sit. No, come here. Let's do it, guys. Sit, Zoe. Sit. Lay down. Sit. Lay down. Lay down, Zoe. Lay down. Good girl. All right, Enzo, your turn. Enzo. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Down. Lay down. Down. There you. All right, it's okay. You're still a baby. Then we gotta get one for my other dog that's upstairs too. You like it? This is my third dog, guys. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So today we're gonna be doing 3 mods on the M3. The first one is gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna be eliminating the chrome trim that's around the windows on the M3. And the chrome trim actually goes around the rear window as well, so I think it looks really silly. It doesn't contrast with the gloss black and carbon fiber accents that I already have going on in the car. And then after that, we're gonna be doing my diffuser install. So my diffuser is in 3 pieces, but we're only gonna be installing 2. The third piece is the actual under tray that I showed you guys in previous videos. So last night I was just thinking about it, I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna straight pipe the M3. I plan to get a valve exhaust for the car, but after some time and after some thinking, I was like, you know what? What made me fall in love with the E9X M3 is just hearing that V8 scream. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's fully straight pipe the M3. So I know this has been done thousands and thousands of times. So we're gonna be deleting the chrome trim, putting 2/3 of the diffuser on, and straight piping the M3, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so today we're gonna head over to Impressive Wrap. They're gonna be wrapping this trim that goes along the windows, and it actually goes around the whole rear window as well. By doing this, it should definitely improve the way the car looks because it is a huge eyesore. Just got to Impressive Wrap right now, guys. But unfortunately, with everything going on, we're not gonna be able to stay here and watch them wrap the trim, but it's all good. They're gonna take good care of it. So shout out to Impressive Wrap. Yeah, guys, finally excited to get this trim in gloss black. It's gonna look way, way better.
3 hours later.
There you guys go. As you guys can see, no more chrome trim exists. I had Impressive Wrap and wrapped everything in gloss black, and it looks so much better. It's so weird that the E93 trim actually wraps around the rear window, but it looks so much better. It actually kind of blends in with the window, so it looks 10 times better in my opinion. The gloss black contrast is a lot better with the carbon fiber, the black wheels and stuff like that. So this is probably one of my favorite mods to date because it just drastically changed the way the car looks. I'm gonna be showing you guys next my diffuser setup. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos, you guys can know what I'm talking about my diffuser being in 3 pieces. All right, so let me explain my diffuser setup real quick, guys. If you guys haven't watched my other video, this is the actual under tray. So like I was saying earlier, guys, if I wanna put this on, I would have to do any type of exhaust work first because this is gonna go up underneath and cover everything. But luckily today, guys, we're gonna be straight piping in the M3. So after we do all that, in the next video, we can probably install this. I just want to say real quick, guys, I do plan to get a valve exhaust for the M3, but in the meantime, I just kind of want to be obnoxious. I want to hear the V8 scream. I know there's probably going to be a lot of drone and stuff like that, but I've experienced it in all my other cars, so it's not going to be anything new, guys. So let me show you guys the other part of the diffuser. So this is the actual diffuser, guys. This is obviously where the muffler tips go. Like I was saying earlier, guys, I would have to install this first so I can have the exhaust shop measure out the muffler tips so they don't stick in too much, because let me show you guys real quick. Let's say I went to the exhaust shop right now without putting the diffuser on. They're gonna line it up to the actual bumper on the car. And as you guys can see, they're sitting pretty in. So the diffuser actually adds about 1 inch. So if I did the exhaust work first and put the diffuser on, they're gonna be sitting in. So I don't want that to be the case. I'd rather just have them do it right the first time. So that is why we're putting the diffuser on. And then lastly, guys, we're gonna be putting on the rear splats. I wasn't gonna put these on, but I was like, you know what, might as well. So they can match with the side skirts. I think it'll flow a lot better. Back here just looks a little too naked for me. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be putting on today. So it should take no more than 20 minutes. Right now, I'm gonna move the M3 up a little more so I have more space back here. And actually, we'll be able to get a cold start so you guys can hear how it sounds before we put the straight pipe on. So I just moved up the car a little bit, guys, and you guys can see underneath how naked it is. The M3 definitely does call for a diffuser. So I can't wait to put this diffuser on, and I can't wait to put this under tray on. It's gonna look insane. I know the OEM muffler weighs about 50 pounds, I would say. So being that I have the convertible, I am trying my best to do some weight saving. So 50 pounds is 50 pounds, I'll take it, guys. So I just thought I'd show you guys real quick. So to install this diffuser, you're gonna be able to use the OEM holes. So there's gonna be one right here, another one located right here, and another one right here as well. And then the same on this side as well too, guys. As you guys can see right there. So it's very, very simple. So we just finished putting on the rear diffuser, guys. Honestly, it was very, very simple. If you guys are installing this rear diffuser, again, just make sure to apply double-sided tape just to have some extra security on top. And then underneath, you can use all the OEM bolts as well. And this is what I was talking to you guys about earlier. Let's say I went to the muffler shop without putting this diffuser on. You guys can see that the tips disappear, so they would have measured them accordingly to the bumper. When I go, guys, they'll be able to measure the exhaust tips according to how the diffuser sits. So it's gonna sit pretty aggressive. It's gonna look really good. These tips are pretty small. I'm hoping I can run bigger ones. And also I'm noticing that it is pretty close to the diffuser, so they're probably gonna have to hang it a little lower as well. Now we're gonna move on to the rear splats. These are very, very simple. Again, just some double-sided tape, and you're able to use your OEM holes and bolts as well. There you guys go. We just finished putting on the diffuser. It honestly took like 30 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, but it looks a lot better in the rear now. The rear looked naked. Now we got the trunk lip, diffuser. Man, once I put this under tray, it's gonna look insane. I think I'm actually a little too low. I actually think when I put the under tray, I might have to raise the rear up a little bit because I don't have that much clearance underneath. My friend said the other day when I was on the freeway that he's seen my exhaust scrape. So if my exhaust scrape, I definitely don't want that scraping. So we might have to raise the rear up a little. Also, I want to note fitment is A1, so if you guys are in the market for this diffuser, definitely let me know. It looks a million times better. What the heck?
Custom made.
Shoot.
Got those?
You won't see this. Literally that simple. What the fuck? So guys, we're gonna be deleting the mufflers, possibly the resonators, and then we're gonna end up leaving the cats just to be safe because they're saying it's gonna be extremely loud, and I don't want it to be annoyingly loud where there's like a massive amount of drone inside. So this stock muffler weighs about 50 pounds, guys. This thing is so heavy. Damn, it looks ugly too. Anyone want it? 3,000 for sale. We'll see, bro. We'll see. Moment of truth.
Just about.
I got these nice tips. Looks so good. The rear really looks a lot better now. Holy shit!
This is a lot of shit.
Fuck! I'm fucking beyond happy. It sounds so good. Holy shit. Guys, I have a huge smile on my face right now. You can't see because I'm wearing a mask, but it looks so good. Babe, what do you think?
It's crazy.
Wow. We got Abraham next. He's gonna fix something on his valve right now. He's gonna actually remove the valve so it's just full straight on one side of the tip. Bro, so close. So you're able to open and close it with the remote inside all the buttons?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's dope. We're gonna hear it right now, guys. Let's see how it sounds. It was loud as fuck before. I'm sure the difference is gonna be minimal, but it's still really loud. B58 sounds so good. Fuck. What the fuck? Bro, you popped my eardrums, bro. Fuck. Alright guys, so we're driving home from the muffler shop and holy shit, my first initial thoughts are this shit sounds insane. It's so damn loud. The drone is a little louder than I thought it was gonna be, but I think it's something I can get used to. I'm not too sure if camera picks it up, but you guys can really hear it when I step on the pedal. I'm gonna try to park somewhere and get some pulls for you guys and stuff, do some standby revs and stuff like that so you guys can hear exactly all the exhaust notes sound and stuff. Sounds so fucking amazing. I can't get over it.
The next day.
So I just got to the spot right now, guys. I'm gonna get some drive-by, some standstills, some takeoffs hopefully, so you guys can hear the exhaust. It sounds so loud. You ready, bro?
Oh, it reminds me of my 328.
You said it reminds him of his 328. Go ahead, bro. Have fun. Let's see. Oh, it's on the M mode?
Oh shit.
You're okay.
What is that mode?
Oh yeah, it just makes it like, it's gonna be sport mode, so you have to shift. You have to shift, right? Go ahead. You're next, bro. I'm trying to convince him to get one, guys. My car doesn't do a full turn down there? The turning radius is like, what, just to be safe? Yeah, just to be safe.
It does, but it's going to be better.
It looks so good. Damn. It looks beefy in the back, bro.
Smile on your face, bro.
It does,
Not even kidding,
it does, dude. It's the way it sounds, bro.
It's the way it drives. City 90, bro. You can never get the F chassis suck, bro. Compared to this on handling it. Like,
Hey, what do you think? What do you think? He's ready for one.
Like it's like punching, but not that bad.
It's not like crazy.
It's not like boring bad.
Yeah, it's the sound, bro. Such a beautiful car. Looks so good. Damn. You guys gotta get one.